How to call someone who has blocked your number. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can call someone who has blocked your number. Now, if you're wondering how you can reach or contact a person who has blocked your phone number and you want to call them, then there are certain ways that you can try. What you can do is you can try using a different phone to call that has a different number. If not, what you can do is you can disguise caller ID. Now, the other way is to download the Burner app, and from there you can try on a call and you can try connecting. However, if this doesn't help, what you can do is you can change your phone number as well. Now, this is the certain way that you can contact the person who has blocked your number. There is no any other way indirectly. You can either use Burner, or you can disguise your caller ID, or you can change your phone number. But there are some things that you can keep in mind. What you can do is you can contact them through social media. Now, if you have their phone number and if they have blocked you on number, then what you can do is you can get into touch with them through WhatsApp or various other social media platforms as well. So these are the ways you can call someone who has blocked your number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.